Hey guys, if YouTube Music extension is missing in Gemini, let's fix that. So open Gemini in your browser. So go to gemini.google.com. So sign in with the same Google account you use for YouTube Music. Now, what you can do is to click your settings at the bottom left. Now go to connected apps. So once you click on connected apps, look for YouTube Music. Now if it appears, toggle it on. So if it turns blue, that means it's turned on. So click on that and click on connect. Now Gemini and YouTube Music must use the exact same Google account. So a lot of people accidentally use one Gmail for Gemini, another for YouTube or YouTube Music. So that prevents the extension from appearing properly. Now, Google sometimes hides Gemini integrations if activity tracking is disabled. So what you need to do is to open Google Activity Controls. So search for Google Activity Controls and open that and make sure you turn on Web App Activity. So include Chrome history and include YouTube history. So as you can see on my end, it's turned on. Now, once you're done in here, go back to Google Gemini. And another thing you can do is to disable and re-enable extensions. So click on the extensions at the top. So turn off YouTube or YouTube Music extensions. You can sign out of Gemini. You can restart browser, then sign back in and re-enable extensions. Then start a completely new Gemini app and you can test it. So click on the prompt box and you can type in at symbol and type in YouTube Music. So if it appears, that means it's working. Now, another thing you can do is to avoid brand accounts. So if your YouTube channel uses a brand account, Gemini may not detect YouTube Music correctly. So click your profile picture, select switch account, and use your main Google profile instead of brand account. So this is one of the most common fixes right now. For the next method, you can try another browser. You can use Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Then go to Google Gemini and see if that works. So next, you can try Microsoft Edge. So the feature works best in Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. So Firefox and privacy browsers sometimes block Gemini integrations. And that's basically it. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.